Hey guys, just want to do a quick unboxing for you of this LED potted plant grow light. I grow a lot of indoor plants and I've been trying out a lot of different lights lately, so this is one of them that I'll be setting up pretty soon. But before I get it set up, again, I just wanted to do the unboxing and show you what it comes with. So this part here looks like it's the actual light. So it's the light, little circle ring that it comes with, and it has your power cord attached to it. You'll see that it does have your control right in line on the power cord. So it has your power there, and then it has your timer button, so you can set how long you want your light on. So 4, 8, 12, and 18 hours. And then your plus and minus there to set your light strength or intensity. And then your power cord itself is a USB cord that does come with the charging, or not charging cube, but with the power cube. And then it comes with, this is gonna be, I believe, the base for your light. And then you guys see I'm not reading instructions or anything, I'm just kind of winging it, so I'm assuming this is how it goes. This pole here, looks like it screws on just like that. And then you have this flexible in here that you'll screw on top of there to allow you to adjust your lighting angle. Get that on. And then your actual LED light will screw on top of that one. Yeah, that looks right. So, and here's the entire setup for you. So, you know, you have your potted plant that you'll set on your desk or shelf or whatever, putting it on, and then you can, you know, turn your light on and angle it, have it set up. And if you have, you know, a different position you need, you can easily flex it around as you need to. So again, I'll be setting it up for myself to actually start growing some plants with soon, but just wanted to do that quick unboxing and show you what you were getting with this particular light.